What is up? What is up, guys? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. February 1st, episode 9, maybe, for the Fullerton Nutrition Daily News. I have no idea. But today's Monday. Today definitely feels like a Monday. Went to the gym. Literally did half my workout. Just wasn't feeling it today. You guys are going to have those days. Those days you're just not feeling it. You're not wanting to work out. You go in, you're just not feeling it. You feel hella weak, can't lift. That's how I was today. And it's okay to have those days. And I was just like, I'm done. I'm going to leave. I'm literally just counterintuitive being here anyways if I'm not going to get the full workout in. So I left. So that's the thing. That's what I'm going to talk about today. Today's chest day. So what I ended up doing was literally I only did 5 sets of 4 and then did half a drop set on incline bench and then decline bench, and I was like, I'm out. So it's okay. That's literally the workout for the day. It's okay if you guys have those days. Don't stress out about it. It's one day out of the year. It's one day of the week, one day of the month. So don't freak out about it. Everything will be a-okay. But that's what I'm going to talk about today. If you have those days where you're just not feeling it, still go to the gym if you're not feeling like going to the gym. Go to the gym. See if it changes when you're working out. Most of the time it does, but today I just couldn't get out of the funk. It was the worst. Sitting my Bert. Is it bad for weight loss to always be over your macros, points, protein, but with all the other categories? If you're hitting your proteins, you're a little over your proteins, if you're hitting your macros, you're golden. As long as you're hitting your calories, that's all that matters. If you guys hit your calories with meat and veggies, it's the name of the game. That's all you gotta do. But that was the workout for the day. Like I said, I left early, went grocery shopping, got some New York strip steaks are on sale, ground beef was on sale. So got some groceries for the week, came home, showered. Now I'm here with you guys. So that's the thing. So don't stress out about it. If you have that day where you're in the gym, you feel weaker, you're tired. I'm not even tired. I just wasn't feeling it. There's some days you go to the gym, you're just like, I'm not feeling this at all. Like, I'll still work out to see if I can get out of the funk. That's definitely what you want to do, because sometimes if you turn it all the way around, you feel amazing afterwards. Let's see here. So that's what I would do. Still work out. If you're not feeling it, leave. It's okay. Just make sure the nutrition's on point for the day. You're not going to lose progress. You're not going to lose your muscle mass not working out. So that's it. That's what we can jump on that one. So with working out, how long does it take for you to start losing muscle if you're not working out? If you're not working out those muscles, it could take about a month. About a month, you'll start to notice the muscle is starting to come back because you're not using it anymore. You're not building up those muscles. You're not using those muscles. So don't ever stop working out for a month, because after a month, you could start to lose that muscle. So that's why the whole quarantine thing, gyms were closing down. I lost my legs. Definitely lost my legs, because all I was doing was running into the park and doing like jail yard workouts, doing like pull-ups, push-ups, dips, and curls and stuff like that. So I really didn't use the legs that often. So definitely lost a lot of muscle mass in the legs. They are finally starting to come back, getting the stretch marks back in those legs. It's always nice to see those stretch marks. That means the legs are growing. Doing legs twice a week is a game changer. Absolute game changer when you do it that way. But remember, everything's on the website, fullertonnutrition.com. All you got to do to lose that weight is hit that calorie goal with meat and veggies, and remember that why. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing night, guys. Thanks for watching or listening to the Fullerton Nutrition Daily News.